Okay, here comes Bob on the new grader. We're out on Bun Springs. Pretty decent looking out here for the end of June. The little Cat 212 grader. He running a bit rough, but he hadn't been going for 2 or 3 years, I reckon. Okay, we've got the little grader finished, except for the doors. I'll get around to them another day, but it's come up pretty good. Some new makeshift windows, bit of perspex, an old window off of the house that we dismantled, nearly fitted the windscreen. I'm waiting for some Caterpillar decals, 600mm long to go in there. Didn't put new front tyres on it. It's a pretty rough paint job. I ran out of paint halfway through, so I'll touch that up. Spots like this should have been fixed, but I'm on a bit of a time frame. I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, it's come a long way from when we picked it up way out in the bush and it was misfiring and carrying on to get him here. So Yeah, pretty happy with it. G'day. Howdy, welcome back to the channel. Well, today's the day that my little grader that I've been working on this year gets to go in the street parade. So I've got him all washed up ready. Take him local street parade for the kids and Father Christmas. So I thought, seeing I've got it finished, I'll put it in the parade and kids can get to see it and have a bit of fun, hopefully. So we'll fire up and we'll take her down there and put some tinsel on her, and away we go. See how we get on. Up inside, we've got 4 gears. Gear lever there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and reverse. So there's your shuttle reverse there for grading backwards and forwards. So I'll select about there, throttle set, and away we go. A sheep up here to get out of the way. This has got power steering on it, power assist, which was probably an after factory install. Just makes it so much easier to steer. Was on it when I got it. Just had to get new hoses, put new oil